Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the detailed kebab recipe. Green pumpkin potted kebab recipe. I will prepare this food for enough 4 people. All the ingredients needed to make potted kebab. 2 pieces of round zucchini and peeler. Minced beef with 800-gram knife, 3 onions, 4 garlic, 1 tomato, 1 red cape pepper and 3 green peppers. Vegetable condiment: salt, red pepper, thyme, black pepper and sugar. Liquid sunflower oil, 1 sweet spoon with flour, 1 glass of water. Oven door and pressure cooker are necessary materials. First, fill the pot with water and boil. You can get filtered yogurt by adding the yogurt strainer and separating it from the water. You need 2 green village squash in the size you see. Cut the ends of the pumpkins flat with a knife. Peel the shells intermittently. You need to cut it straight from the middle. With the help of spoon, cut the pumpkins and give them the pot shape. The pumpkin core part will come out easily. Thin the edges a little further and expand the inner chamber. Help your videos reach more people by showing a preparation. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks everyone for support. At first we start to boil water that we put on fire. Add the chopped meat into this boiling water. I always do this process to wash the meat in boiling water. Meat will stay here for 10 minutes and be cleaned. Prepare for peeled garlic. Prepare 3 peeled onions. Divide the garlic into 4 parts. Chop the onions thinly. Chop the red pepper thinly. Chop green peppers. Chopped materials ready. Remove the meat from the boiling water for 10 minutes with a strainer. Add oil to the pressure pot. Add the meat when the oil is warm and stir. Mix and fry the meat in this way for 3 minutes. Add the chopped vegetables and stir. Add spice. Add salt and vegetable condiment. Add 1 cup of hot water. There is no need to have too much water. Close the cover of the pressure cooker and set the meat cooker button. Cooking for 25 or 30 minutes will suffice. Fry the pumpkins in the heated oil. Remove the fried zucchini and wait for it to drain if there is too much fat. You need to cook meats as soft as possible. Add the meat you cooked into the pot a dehydrated form. I will combine the excess water with flour and prepare solid sauce. Prepare 1 peeled tomato. Add the hollow pumpkins into the oven tray. Pull the potted kebabs with meat. Add 1 spoon of meat water into the zucchini. Divide the peeled tomato into 4 equal parts. Slice the tomatoes on top of kebabs. You need to bake 160 degrees for 20 minutes. Add some cold water into 1 spoon of flour and stir. Pass meat juice through the strainer and boil. You can add little soy sauce. Add flour and water to stir. I will use some black plums to decorate the serving plate. Add filtered yogurt. You can give a more beautiful shape using cream squeezing bag. I added the solid mix trill prepared with meat juice in the middle of dish. You can add red pepper and dry minced yogurt. Potted kebabs came out of the oven. Add the pumpkin kebab to the middle of the plate. Add a few parsley to the edges. Add adequate amount for one person was a healthy, satisfying and visually beautiful meal. Cut it with a knife so you don't have to worry about how this food is displayed and how it looks for stuff. We came to the end of the detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and support me. Goodbye, to see you again in a new recipe.